Portugal and Bosnia Herzegovina, June 15, 2026. The severe weather that has hit several European countries is now simultaneously affecting Portugal and Bosnia and Herzegovina. The powerful storms are bringing not only strong winds but also supercells, hailstorms, and flash floods to several locations. Video footage of hailstones the size of hazelnuts or even larger, along with muddy floodwaters, flooded social media recently. These images were posted by several residents of Portugal and Bosnia and Herzegovina within a short time frame in mid-June 2026. In Portugal, several storms affected large areas of the interior. Local residents reported heavy rain, hail, flash floods, and strong winds. Pinhel was one of the hardest hit areas. Other areas, such as Carvalhelhos, experienced heavy, accumulating hail. Not only that, a sudden hailstorm also surprised the residents of Typhoons Covilha, to the point that this unusual phenomenon paralyzed the residents' activities. In a video recording circulating on Facebook, hundreds of ice balls fell from the sky, hitting the roofs of residents' houses and even residents' vehicles in their front yards. Meanwhile, in Bosnia and Herzegovina, a severe storm accompanied by hail the size of a hazelnut, which hit Pale on June 15 in the afternoon, caused a power outage in part of this municipality. Intense showers, strong gusts of wind and thunderstorms were also recorded in East Novi Sarajevo. Even some footage of heavy hail and flooding also came from Sarajevo residents at the same time. According to meteorologists' forecasts, the weather instability could persist in the coming hours. A strong storm accompanied by rain and strong wind hit Sarajevo today in the afternoon. Large amounts of rainfall in a short period of time led to water retention on roads, causing some roads to be underwater. A severe storm also hit Visegrad on June 15 in the afternoon. Dark clouds loomed over Visegrad, the rain was falling heavily, and the streets were quickly underwater. Traffic in the city was difficult. Landslides have occurred on the Visegrad-Stupraca and Visegrad-Vardist main roads. The cold front that affected our country over the weekend is being reabsorbed by the main circulation, but the cold air at altitude will remain, contributing to the continued occurrence of locally strong thunderstorms in various Portuguese regions in the coming days. In the video, strong thunderstorms are predicted for vast areas of the interior over the next few days. In other areas, such as Peneda Gears and Alto Alentejo, There is also the possibility of showers, but weaker and more scattered. Be aware of the risk of hail and the possibility of flash floods.
Meu Deus! Pega o cobertor! Vai parar, amor!
Meanwhile, today the northern regions of Bosnia were mostly cloudy, with occasional rain. In the second half of the day, there were local showers in most of Bosnia. In Herzegovina it was mostly sunny. Air temperatures measured at 2 p.m. degrees Celsius: Jelasnica 14, Gradičak 19, Banja Luka 21, Bijeljina, Ivan Sedlo, Sanski Most and Tuzla 23, Doboj and Livno 24, Zenica 25, Sarajevo 26, Drvar and Trebinj 27, Mostar 32 degrees Celsius.